Hi guys. Living with a scoliosis can mean more than just a visible curve. It often leads to spinal subluxations, thus subtle misalignments that can create stiffness and nerve irritation over time. The goal isn't about making your spine perfectly straight, but to help you move better, feel better, and live without constant discomfort. At Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic, we focus on gentle, precise adjustments to tailor to your unique curve. By correcting subluxations, we restore motion, reduce nerve pressure, and improve your body's natural balance. Imagine waking up with less pain and more freedom to move the way you want. Ready to reclaim your spine's potential? Let's make your care plan today. Your future self will thank you.